How to customize Webyx navigation design. In Webyx Pro block, open the Navigation Design tab. Now, enable Vertical Card Style in Vertical tab. Choose Slide option from Animation Type and enable Vertical Parallax. From Horizontal tab, enable Card Style. Choose Fade option and save changes. View the page. The horizontal navigation will have a fading animation type. The vertical navigation will have a card animation type with a parallax effect. This is really cool. How to navigate inside the block with Webyx anchors. In Webyx Pro block, open View Design tab. Enable anchors. Insert a different name for anchors on each slide. In Slide 1 from Section Hero, insert the anchor name Home. In Slide 1 from Main Content, insert Tutorial. In Slide 1 in the footer, insert Info. Save changes. Double-click on Header to edit the template. Select Header, click on Edit in Toolbar block. Insert URL anchor name in Custom Link Settings. This name is the same previously inserted in the Anchor Name option of the slide. Save changes and view the page. Click on the menu to navigate directly to the slides. How to enable navigation with bullets and horizontal animation with mousewheel. Go to Navigation Bullets tab and enable horizontal bullets. Then, enable bullet animation. From Navigation Mousewheel tab, enable horizontal animation option. Save changes and view the page. Now it's possible to navigate to slides directly clicking on bullets. With mousewheel, it is also possible to horizontally navigate to slides to create a cool storytelling experience. At the end of the section, navigation via mousewheel will be vertically again. Thanks for watching.